What's the meaning of bumbling? Bumbling. Bumbling.
Bumbling. Bumbling. The word bumbling refers to someone who is awkward or clumsy in their movements or actions. A bumbling person may appear to be fumbling about, lacking coordination or precision. They may move slowly or seem unsure of themselves, making mistakes along the way. This can lead to frustration for both the individual and those around them, as tasks may take longer to complete or be done incorrectly. Despite this, there is often a sense of endearment towards those who are bumbling, as their quirks and idiosyncrasies can make them more relatable and human.